Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear friend, I am S. Ansari. Brothers, this idea of a coming person is found in almost all religions. But it is not proven. It is not proven at all. The Jews are also sitting waiting for their Masiha to come and enforce Judaism, Yahudiyat. Christians are also waiting for Jesus and Muslims for Isa alayhi salatu wassalam. Similarly, Hindus are waiting for their Vishnu that will come 10th and last time, and Buddhists for their Mithra, and Christians, German Bishop Bengel even told that according to the John Bible book, Jesus will come in the summer of 1833 AD. Then it was changed to 1836, again changed to 1843, then again changed 1847. But who was coming did not come. Then stopped determining the time, but it is still waiting for him. For detail, Max Miller's book, Chips for a German Workshop, volume number 1. And now I especially want to tell the Muslims community that this verse of Quran make it absolutely clear that Jesus will say at the day of judgment, Kuntu alayhim shahidam ma dumtu fihim. Oh Allah, as long as I was among them, I was aware of their faith. Falamma tawaffaytani kunta anta raqiba alayhim. 5/117. And when you killed me, then you were their guardian. So, I do not know what do they after me. If Jesus come again, he would not say these words of ignorance. So, it became clear that Jesus would not come again. Yes, Ansari.